Hello there, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video I am going to teach you how to send file using AirDrop in iPhone 16. The process is very easy and involves only a few steps. Follow closely to find out how it's done. First of all, access the Files app on your iPhone. Now, here you can see different files saved on your phone. Long press on your desired file, it will open a pop-up menu. From here, tap on the Share button. Now, you'll see different sharing options like this. Select AirDrop here. Now, it will show you any nearby device on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range. Now, tap on the appearing device and your file will be sent in the blink of an eye. Well, you can also send multiple files at a time using AirDrop. To do so, tap on the three dots button in the top right. From here, tap on Select. Now, as you can see, it is letting me choose multiple files at a time. Once all the desired files are selected, tap on Share button on bottom left. Now, again, tap on AirDrop to send the files to the nearest device. And that's it. This is how to send files using AirDrop on iPhone 16. I hope you found this tutorial informative. If yes, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more insightful tech videos.